Staybridge Suites Anaheim at the park is a little off the beaten path at the Disneyland Resort. But with full kitchens in the rooms, for a very reasonable price, I just had to check it out. Find out if this extended stay hotel gets a yay or nay from us in this Honest Hotel Review. Hello everyone, this is Julia with Honest Hotel Reviews, and today I'm giving you a full tour and review of the Staybridge Suites Anaheim at the park, located at 1050 West Fall Road. This extended stay hotel is part of the International Hotel Group, or IHG, and has full kitchens in every room and is priced really well. But it's also not in the most desirable location as far as good neighbor hotels go. In this video, I'll be giving you a tour of the hotel while giving you a detailed review in the following categories: overall experience, room, hotel amenities, and value. But stick around till the end to find out our final score for this hotel. This video is not sponsored, so if you find it helpful, help us hack that YouTube algorithm. Like, comment, share, and if you're new here and want more honest reviews of the Disneyland area hotels, please subscribe to our channel. Google classifies the Staybridge Suites as an unassuming hotel close to the Disneyland Resort, and I couldn't have said it better myself. While nothing really stood out to us as being amazing, we also have very few negative things to say about this place. And that kind of says a lot if you consider some of the places we've stayed around here. Ben and I arrived here after spending 2 nights at a hotel that was twice as expensive, but half as clean, so we were quite happy with our stay. We arrived around noon, which was a few hours before check-in, so it was no surprise that our room wasn't ready, but the staff was welcoming and engaging, and stowed our luggage for us so we could head to the park for a day of fun. One downfall of this hotel is its location. There really isn't anything within a 5-minute walk of the hotel other than a gas station and other hotels. While a straight walk to Disneyland would clock in at over 20 minutes, one saving grace of the location is this hotel backs onto the Mickey and Friends parking structure, so you're really only about a 7 to 10 minute walk from the tram that takes you into downtown Disney. When it's operating, that is. I should mention we stayed at this hotel prior to the pandemic, so make sure you check current changes at both the hotel and Disneyland, since a lot has changed and will continue to change as things progress. For example, at the time that I'm filming this video, the tram isn't operating and the hotel is offering a grab-and-go breakfast rather than the typical breakfast buffet. Overall, we were happy with our experience. It was good. Not bad, not amazing, just good. We stayed in room 435, which had a king bed and a small pull-out couch for a maximum guest capacity of 3 people. The room felt really spacious and was quite well appointed, minus a few dings and bumps here and there, which is expected. It made the room feel, let's say, lived in. The room had a view of one of the cast parking lots, and we could even see the backside of Galaxy's Edge, and according to the staff, we would be able to see the fireworks at night. The bed was clean and comfortable, and they even had labels on the pillows indicating if they were soft or firm, which I thought was a really great touch. But there was only one plug at each bedside for charging your devices. Being an extended stay hotel, it was nice that they had a sitting area and a desk and of course a full-sized kitchen. We were really impressed with the quality of the kitchen for the price we paid. There was a dishwasher, microwave, toaster, dual element stovetop, and a sink with dish soap and dish towels. There was a set of 3 for all dishes, cups, and glasses, and we had a good amount of cookware and utensils. Everything in the kitchen seemed great until we opened the fridge. It had been turned off. We're assuming to save energy between guests.
So our fridge was turned off, and that means it's hot on the inside.
And it stinks.
And it stinks. Mildewy, heated mildew.
Yeah.
Gross.
Thankfully, we were only staying here for one night and didn't need the fridge, but that was definitely a big flaw. The bathroom was clean, but had minimal toiletries. It did have adequate towels, however, and a full-sized hairdryer, which is important to me, and good water pressure. Other in-room amenities included a safe, luggage stand, ironing board, extra bedding for the pull-out couch, and a laundry basket. Overall, the room was pretty darn comfortable. We just wish the fridge hadn't stunk. Similar to everything else with this hotel, the Staybridge Suites was good when it came to all their amenities. They had a large seating area for their breakfast buffet and social hour. Ben and I gave mixed review on their breakfast offerings. Some things were great, but the eggs were kinda gross. Still, there was more than enough to get you going in the mornings. Of course, they had the standard coffee and juices, but they even had a pop machine. In addition to breakfast, they offer a complimentary evening social hour on select weeknights. This was actually a really nice touch, as many places don't have this. They offered wine, beer, cookies, a hot appetizer, plus a salad bar. The pool was small but looked clean. However, it had no towels or padding on the pool chairs. I'm sure, however, if we'd asked, they would have gotten towels for us promptly. I would say I wouldn't stay here for the pool, but it looks like a fun place for the kids to splash around. Beside the pool, there was a little courtyard with 2 barbecues and some couches. Their business center was made up of 1 computer and printer, and their fitness center was clean and adequate. They also have a laundry facility on site and a small pantry with some drinks, snacks, and essentials available for purchase. In my opinion, this hotel has done a really good job at pricing themselves. Even though we had an issue with the fridge, and we weren't too keen on a few of the hot items they offered at breakfast, this is a budget-friendly hotel, and they definitely exceeded our expectations in terms of what we thought we'd get for the price. At the end of the day, we gave the Staybridge Suites Anaheim at the Park a 3.56 out of 5. Sure, this isn't really the hotel for Ben and I, but don't rule this place out just yet. Ben and I love being able to walk to a variety of restaurants from our hotel. We also love a good pool area. But if you're traveling with a family and looking for a way to save some cash on your next Disney trip, I would definitely consider this an option. Other than the fridge, it was clean, it was spacious, and the beds were super comfy. Plus, imagine how much money you could save making use of that full kitchen, their hot breakfast, and their afternoon social. We post reviews of the Disneyland area hotels, and we'd love your support. Head over to our YouTube channel or check us out at honesthotelreviews.com for more hotel recommendations and travel tips. I'm Julia, and this has been another Honest Hotel Review.